The Encor Series 1 is a masterclass in modern Restomods, transforming the classic Lotus Esprit V8 into a lightweight carbon fiber supercar. At the heart of the beast is the mid-mounted 3.5-liter twin-turbo V8. It has been completely rebuilt with forged internals, modern cooling, fuel system, and new turbos. The result is a reliable free-revving engine producing 400 plus horsepower with 350 pound-foot of torque. And acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour is expected to take 4 seconds, with a top speed close to 175 miles per hour. The transmission receives equal attention. Working with the Coif, Encor re-engineers the original 5-speed manual with a stronger input shaft, revised ratios, a helical limited slip differential, and a bespoke tin-plate clutch, giving the shift a precision and durability the original never possessed. Suspension components are upgraded to Sport 350 specification. Braking is delivered by AP Racing. Steering remains hydraulically assisted rather than electric, preserving the tactile, driver-focused character fundamental to the original Esprit. Inside, the Series 1 preserves the Esprit's most memorable elements: the dramatically sloped dashboard, the cockpit-like wrap-around instrument binocle, the tartan essence, the sense of sitting deep with a purposeful, driver-centric machine, yet each element has been rebuilt from the frame outward. The floating instrument cluster is perhaps the most striking reinterpretation, machined from a single billet of aluminum and wrapped around a modern digital display. It delivers clarity, beauty, and a structural honesty impossible in 1975. The carbon fiber dashboard rehouse a very essential control, putting function exactly where the driver expects it. Seats are restored, reformed, and retrimmed, maintaining their original ergonomics while elevating support and finish.